Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I have a haul video for you and it's gonna be fall season related. Mostly Halloween, Thanksgiving, DIYs as usual. You know me, I love DIYs. Let's start from the pumpkin that is right here. I'm going to do a DIY for upcoming collaboration. I got it from the Dollar Tree. Of course, it's a placemat, but it's gonna become totally different thing. Next one, deco mesh, 2 of them. I'm going to use this for my wreath. I've got these 2 for my DIYs. I have got 2 packs of this felt leaves, and it has 20 different colored leaves, different types. Got this bowl, I'll show you, it's right here. I used one of them already in this DIY. If you haven't seen it, please go ahead and check it out, how I made this and what materials I used. I will link it below this video in the description box. Then I also used 4 of these small pumpkins and I used 1 of these pumpkins. I got these nice tules. I used from this color actually, and also the yellow one for the DIY that I showed. I have bought also this nice colorful leaves ribbon with metallic sides that kind of you can make nice bows for your wreaths, etc. Then I got a bunch of other types of ribbons. It's orange color jute rope, but it says ribbon, of course. And shiny blingy one. It says diamond wrap. It's a red color, pinkish to red, decorative orange one. And I got this shiny tuley one. I made a curtain holder from the green color of this tulle, but it was the white type of this same tulle. Continuing from this side, I got salt and pepper shakers, the owls. Then I got this nice shiny ribbon, and I already used a little bit of this for my other project that I already started but didn't finish yet. Leaf clips. So this is the brown color and this is the golden color. So I got all 3 colors. Whatever was there, I got it. I got these floral foams. You may put this into water so it will soak the water and then you may use it for your floral arrangements. I'm gonna use it for my vase. Cute candles, artificial ones, and it's battery operated, of course. Oops. Okay, I fixed it. And it matches my pumpkins. Almost the same color. The last items are these nice pumpkins. One is this one. I already put it next to my squirrel to emphasize that the fall season is here and I'm happy with my harvest. And my harvest is a couple of licenses and certificates that I'm trying to get. So hopefully I get there and I can share my happiness with you. Besides my licenses, if I get to my 1,000 subscribers, I will have a huge giveaway. And this one, thankful and blessed. Of course, I'm blessed now too, but I want to be more blessed. And I'm thankful to what I have. So this nice pumpkin I can display on my small shelving unit. And we're done. Hope you like my haul, and if you like it, don't forget to put your thumbs up. Please comment, let me know if you are my subscriber. Thank you so much for the support, and if you are not, please consider to subscribe. I'm trying to get to my 1,000 subscribers so I can do a huge giveaway. And thanks for staying with me till this moment, and see you in my next video. Bye bye everyone.